EJ Carino, you know her as EJ Laure. Pao de Guzman in the starting lineup. Paralejas to Pablo, a bit low. Had to settle for a push. Now, much better height, but a terrific block. Bouncing off the face of Rania. Leon de Guzman and the Chameleons tie the game at 4. Bad pass. And now the first lead for the Chameleons at 5-4. Let's go courtside to Kyla Castillo.
Thank you so much, Eric. Payat man, pero power. That is Pao de Guzman for you. Tubong Tanay Rizal, ang 23 years old, Gas Angels. Kwento niya sa akin kanina, wala siyang paglagyan ng saya. She said, and I quote, hindi ko nga ina-expect na from Team Rizal sa Provincial League, mapupunta ako sa champion team gaya ng Trigas. Bilang gusto ngayon ni Coach Koji na hasain early on ang mga rookie, sasabak na agad si Pao ngayong gabi at ang kanyang motivation, kung kaya ng iba, kakayanin ko rin. Balik sa inyo, Eric and Jamie.
All right, thank you, Kyla. Bad reception there for Pao de Guzman. Leon de Guzman, the other rookie from the other team. The next leg, Chameleons with 3 points. And Carrillo gets her first of the set.
That's a beautiful down the line by EJ. And it's all starting with that serve by Leon de Guzman, which is showing some stability here in terms of offense for the Necta Chameleons.
3-point lead now. Biggest lead for either team.
That's too tight.
Another really short pass as well. Carino makes something out of that with a left hand. Ooh! Right now, Paralejas and Pablo are not connecting. Chris Makaslang blocked by Pablo. Good defense. Gervina sets it up. Carino again. Baby Love Barbon diving for the dig. Another low set by Paralejas to Pablo. Fernandez, standing spike. One-handed save from Barbon. Paralejas with the easy over. Gervina pops it up. On 2. Jaja Maraginot. The run continues for the Chameleons. They've scored 6-0 run. Technical timeout. Chameleons up by 4.